How to set up an Authenticator app for PayPal. In this video, I will show you how you can enable or turn on two-step verification on PayPal account using an Authenticator app so that you don't need to use your phone number or email address for verification while signing in to PayPal. So in order to set up PayPal two-factor authentication with the help of an Authenticator app, first of all, open up any browser on your smartphone, PC, tablet or laptop and then come over to official website of PayPal, paypal.com. and then log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once you logged into your PayPal account, you will be landed in your PayPal account's homepage. Now you can see this is a personal or individual PayPal account. I'm gonna show you how you can do that on business account as well. So if you have PayPal personal account, here click on settings icon at the top right. And on business account, select on your profile or name at the top right and then click on profile settings. And that will bring you to this page, and here if you scroll down a little bit, you can find two-step verification option. And on PayPal personal account, on your PayPal account settings, click on security right to account. And that will bring you to security section of your PayPal account, and here you can find two-step verification. And here to set up PayPal two-step verification with an Authenticator app, here you have to click on set up right to two-step verification. And that will bring you to this page, and now here you can use an Authenticator app for your PayPal account. On PayPal business account, you have to click on update right to two-step verification, and that will bring you to the same page where you can use an Authenticator app to set up two-factor authentication for your PayPal account. So here you have to click on use an Authenticator app. As I am going to be doing it on my PayPal personal account, let me go back to my PayPal personal account. So now here click on use an Authenticator app. Now whether you have a PayPal business account or personal account, the process will be pretty much the same to set up an Authenticator app for PayPal account. And here you can set up an Authenticator app by two ways. First, you can scan this QR code on your Authenticator app, and if you don't like that, then you can enter this code manually. Now on your smartphone, you need to download an Authenticator app. So whatever device you are using, Android or iOS, open Play Store and App Store and then search for Microsoft Authenticator. And this is one of the best and most secure Authenticator app. So download Microsoft Authenticator on your phone and then open it. And here click on allow and then tap on this checkbox and click on continue. Now here you can directly scan the QR code, but what I recommend you to just sign in to your Microsoft account. So if you have a Microsoft account, just sign in with your Microsoft account and you can use this app more securely. So click on sign in with Microsoft and then enter your email address or phone number and click on next. And then enter your Microsoft password and then click on sign in. And then you have to verify your identity. You will receive a code from Microsoft on your email address or phone number. So select the method to verify your account and then enter the code and click on verify. Once your Microsoft account get added to your Microsoft Authenticator app, now here click on skip at the top right and then here at the bottom click on done. And to better protect Authenticator, Microsoft gonna enable app lock by default and you can turn it off in the app settings. Now here click on OK. And then click on this plus icon at the top right and here select other account. Now you can enter the code manually, but here I'm gonna scan this barcode. So let me scan this barcode. Once you enter the code or scanned the barcode, your PayPal account for two-step verification will be added on Microsoft Authenticator app. And here if you click on your PayPal account, you can see every 30 seconds a new one-time password code is generated. So now to add your PayPal account to the Authenticator app, here you have to enter the 6-digit code that you see on your PayPal account from the Authenticator app and make sure you enter it within 30 seconds. So let me enter this 6-digit code here. After entering the 6-digit code that you see in your Authenticator app, now here click on confirm. And now here you have to confirm your identity on PayPal. So if you have added your phone number, you can do it by getting a code. And if you see email option here, then you can continue with the email as well. Now here click on next. And let me enter the code that I received from PayPal. And then let's click on submit. And your two-step verification will be successfully added to your account. And here you can see under primary device Authenticator app. And that is what you're gonna be using while signing into your PayPal account for verification. So let me log out of this account and show you how you can use it. So on PayPal homepage, let's click on login. And now let me enter my email address and password. And let's click on login. Now open your Authenticator app and select your PayPal account and enter the 6-digit code here within 30 seconds. And click on continue. and then you will be logged into your PayPal account with the help of Authenticator app. And you don't need to use your email or phone number for sign-in verification on PayPal. And that's pretty much it is. And if you found this video helpful, then I strongly request you to hit that like button and leave a comment in this video. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you want to convert your PayPal business account to a personal account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.